Hi, thanks for watching today's video. I'm Brian, the Finance Ninja. In today's video, we're talking about Tesla's Q2 2021 earnings preview. I will discuss what information I expect to be revealed that will make Wall Street think, you know what, there's more to Tesla than we expected. We are raising our earnings targets. Then I will discuss what numbers to expect. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We are so close to 500 subs. I think we can make it after this video. And thank you to all my subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. You're all amazing. You keep this channel going. And remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. As always, do your own research. So let's start with the golden Easter eggs that I expect to be sprinkled in. Then let's get to the numbers. But first, check out my Patreon to get access to my valuation models on Tesla Robotaxi and FSD. It's only $1 during this period. The link is in the description. Buckle your seatbelts. Golden Easter egg time, and things to look out for in general. Austin is coming online quick, so much faster than Berlin. It's amazing. Berlin's just so slow. It's so sad about the regulatory hurdles in Germany. I wish it wasn't this way, but what can you do? I mean, just look at this picture of the Austin Gigafactory. I expect we'll get an estimate on when the Austin Gigafactory will start delivering vehicles. Berlin has seen some regulatory setbacks. Reports are that Berlin may produce some cars in December, but I wouldn't be surprised if it gets pushed back into Q1 2022. So that's quite the delay from the original expectation. Germany, what are you doing? Legacy Auto really doesn't want Tesla in Europe. And honestly, in all this hassle, I do blame Legacy Auto. Once Tesla gets the Berlin Gigafactory in Europe, Tesla vehicle prices there will plummet while deliveries skyrocket. The competition is scared. Tesla will do to Europe what they did in China. Remember when the Chinese Shanghai Gigafactory there opened up? Tesla cars became number one by a mile. Prices plummeted, sales increased, profit margins increased significantly. Shanghai was huge for Tesla, as will be Berlin. But that's next year. Let's get back to Q2. I'm looking forward to getting a date on when the Cybertruck will start getting delivered. Remember, this is coming out of the Austin Gigafactory. Cybertruck now has over 1 million pre-orders, and it's increasing by the thousands every single day. I mean, it's just growing so rapidly. So I'm looking for an update on Cybertruck pre-orders. The Cybertruck will help define what numbers Tesla will do in 2022 and beyond. It's a one-of-a-kind vehicle. There is nothing else like it on the road. Just to put it into perspective, the amount of pre-orders this monster has, look at this chart here. The Cybertruck has more pre-orders than Tesla's last 2 years combined sales deliveries for all of their vehicles. I mean, wow. Elon Musk thinks the Model Y will be Tesla's best-selling vehicle. I think the Cybertruck just might give the Model Y a run for its money. I'm also looking forward to full self-driving updates. Just how long is it coming, and also when the next release will come, and just general behind-the-scenes information, like for example progress on Dojo, when the next beta will release. This image that we see here is from the Dirty Tesla YouTube channel. Check them out. Their content is amazing. I'm also looking for updates on the 4680. Hopefully. Anyone? Okay, moving on. We recently learned that Model S deliveries are on hold. This is the new Model S Plaid. So these deliveries being on hold is kind of an issue. From Sawyer Merritt, it seems to be a supply issue and a loose panel. We need clarification directly from Tesla and when deliveries will start going again. This is very important. These are high margin vehicles. And also, due to the way Tesla has to report financials, they will likely show a loss on their Bitcoin investment. It depends on what price they bought it at, but we're all expecting a loss here. Frankly, honestly, I think the whole Bitcoin thing is a sideshow to the Tesla idea. Bitcoin has nothing to do with their vision, which is, and I state, to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. What does Bitcoin have to do with this? I personally hope Tesla will sell the remaining Bitcoin they own just to divert attention away from this. Because right now, when Bitcoin goes up, Tesla goes up. Bitcoin goes down, Tesla goes down. They are tied at the hip. And it's just a $1.5 billion stake. I just don't think it's worth the hassle, and I think Tesla should divest this investment. Um, yeah, I'm not a fan. As far as energy goes, honestly, I do not know what to expect, and I can't wait to see the results. It could be up big, it could be down big. It's kind of a coin flip, so I'm not going to issue any prediction here. I expect an update on Tesla's fight against the global chip shortage. So far, Tesla has been very successful in this. Their sales are increasing exponentially, 100% year over year, from Q1 a quarter ago to Q1 the year prior. Just such a massive gain. And the gains this year are also over 100%. I mean, they are not being terribly negatively adversely affected by the global chip shortage, but it is affecting everybody. I think it might be affecting the Model S Plaid actually. Again, remember supply issues. Ford, however, has not been so successful. A 27% drop in June. Oh boy, oh boy. We may get a yearly forecast. Hopefully. I know Tesla is giving us the generic 50% CAGR, which they've been doing for a couple quarters now, but I would like to see them change their tune and give us the numbers. I want the numbers. We all want the numbers. Don't you want the numbers? I want the numbers. Give us the numbers. The numbers for Q2 will be monstrous. How monstrous? Well, let's see. This chart is from hypercharts.co. This site is highly recommended. I do recommend that you go there, check out these charts from Tesla as well as other companies. It is just a fantastic resource. The site's really great. I highly recommend it, and it's free. And no, they are not paying me for this advertisement. They don't even know I exist. Let's be honest. So, as we look into this, just look at these quarter two numbers. 201,250 cars. And almost zero of these were Model S and Model X. Remember, S and X, or the S Plaid, released so late in the quarter that it's virtually zero. It's virtually zero, let's be frank. And even the quarter over quarter increase is significant. Quarter 1, 2021, 184,877 cars. It's just a huge increase quarter over quarter and also year over year. If you go back to, let's see, quarter 2, 2020, 90,841 cars. I mean, such a huge increase, over 100%. It is a monstrous increase, and these will show in the results as monster numbers. Now, sure, that quarter last year was during the shutdowns, so that negatively affected the numbers, but the numbers are the numbers. Numbers don't lie, and these numbers this last quarter were huge. They are record breaking. Just look at this. Just look at this line going upwards from the beginning to the end. It's just a straight line trajectory on up. So these numbers are massive. This is record breaking. Tesla, in my opinion, will have record breaking revenues this quarter, and they have already had record breaking vehicle deliveries this quarter. I mean, this is just monstrous. This is huge. My initial estimate for this year, from when I made the estimate last year, was for Tesla to have 1 million vehicles delivered this year. I no longer have that estimate, due mainly to the Plaid's delayed release. Now I'm expecting like 950 to 900, or 900, 950, maybe up to 980, really in that range. I do not expect a million cars delivered this year. Just the Plaid got delayed. The numbers you see are from Q1's report, last quarter. I'll go over the numbers very briefly. I am looking for automotive revenues north of $9.5 billion, due mostly to unit sales increase as well as unit price increase. Total revenues $11 billion, net income $1.3 billion, give or take. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you to my channel subscribers. Thank you to my patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. You keep the channel going. You right there. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.